Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pumpkin pie at home. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, from the smooth pumpkin puree to the aromatic blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Then, I'll guide you through preparing your pie crust, whether you prefer to make it from scratch or use a convenient store-bought option. Finally, we'll mix the rich, creamy filling and bake it to golden perfection, ready for your next gathering. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin puree, not the pre-spiced pie filling. For a wonderfully creamy texture, we'll combine 1 cup of heavy cream with 1/2 cup of milk. Sweetness comes from 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar, along with 2 large eggs to bind it all together. And of course, a 9-inch pie crust is essential, whether you roll your own or use a convenient store-bought shell. Now for the heart of our pie, the filling. In a large bowl, whisk together the pumpkin puree, both granulated and brown sugars, and your warm spices like 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, until everything is well combined. Finally, slowly pour in the cream and milk mixture, stirring until the filling is perfectly smooth and ready for the crust. Baking your pumpkin pie to perfection is key. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for an initial 15 minutes. This high heat helps set the crust. Then, reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes. The pie is done when a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing and enjoying your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.